broadcast schedule has been suspended because warnings have recently been issued for parts of your The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Montague County in north central Texas, northeastern Jack County in north central Texas, until 7 a.m. Thursday at 12:54 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across northern Jack and western Montague counties. Rainfall amounts have already exceeded 3 inches in portions of the warned area, and additional heavy rainfall is expected. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Knock Creek in western Montague County is likely out of its banks. Additional runoff will only worsen any ongoing flooding issues. Although the heavy rain has yet to arrive in the eastern half of Montague County, flooding rates are likely to occur there as well. If venturing out tonight, be especially cautious, because it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.